Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore defrost issues with vehicle cabin sensors checks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is parked on a flat surface. Turn off the engine and remove the key from the ignition. Open the hood and disconnect the battery to ensure safety. Locate the cabin air filter and remove it for inspection. Check the cabin air filter for dirt and debris. Replace the filter if it appears dirty or clogged. Next, locate the vehicle's cabin temperature sensor. Refer to the vehicle's manual to find the exact location. Carefully disconnect the sensor wiring harness. Inspect the sensor for any visible signs of damage or corrosion. If damaged, replace the sensor with a new one. Reconnect the wiring harness once the sensor is checked or replaced. Next, locate the vehicle's ambient temperature sensor. Just like with the cabin sensor, refer to the manual for guidance. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness attached to the ambient sensor. Inspect this sensor for any visible damage or dirt buildup. Replace it if necessary, or clean it carefully if it's just dirty. Reconnect the ambient temperature sensor wiring harness. Now, locate the cabin control module. Disconnect the battery again if it was reconnected. Check the cabin control module for any faults or loose connections. Secure any loose connections and reconnect power to the module. Reconnect the battery terminals securely. Start the engine and let the vehicle run for a few minutes. Monitor the cabin climate control system for proper operation. Test the defrost setting to ensure it activates as needed. If the issue persists, consider checking the vehicle's HVAC system for any malfunctions. Consult a professional mechanic if the problem remains unresolved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.